everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something exciting, but also a little scary.
Making new friends.
Oh wow, that can feel difficult,
Very difficult sometimes.
especially if you are shy
Or nervous.
or thinking too much.
Like, what do I say?
Or what if they don't like me?
That feeling is very real.
Today we are talking about making new friends in English.
Real English for real life.
Because sometimes learning English is not about grammar. Sometimes you just want to talk to someone new.
And maybe feel a little more confident.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let's imagine something. You are in a new place. Maybe school, maybe work, maybe a new city.
You look around. You do not know anyone.
That feels uncomfortable.
A little scary, too.
Then maybe you think, I want to talk to someone. But how?
Good question. Let's start simple. First useful sentence, everyone. Hi, my name is Emma.
Nice and easy. Repeat after us. Hi, my name is...
Then maybe the other person says, nice to meet you.
Very important phrase. Nice to meet you.
Short, friendly, easy English.
Emma, what if someone feels shy?
That is okay. Many people feel shy.
Really?
Yes, even confident people feel nervous sometimes.
That feels better.
Useful sentence, everyone. I'm a little shy.
Good, honest English.
Sometimes honesty helps.
Okay, Emma, let's imagine a real conversation.
Okay,
You meet someone new. What do you say?
maybe. Hi, my name is Emma.
Then,
What's your name?
nice, simple question.
Then maybe, where are you from?
Very useful. People ask this a lot.
Yes, it helps start conversations.
Maybe someone says, I'm from Canada.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Or maybe, I'm from Pakistan.
Nice. Then maybe you ask, do you like it here?
Oh, good question. Easy to answer too.
Exactly.
Emma, what if the conversation feels awkward?
Sometimes that happens.
Like silence?
Yes, the scary silence.
Oh no, not the silence.
Don't worry. Ask another question.
Like what?
What do you like to do?
Nice one. Maybe hobbies, sports, movies?
Music, too.
Useful sentence, everyone. What do you like to do?
Or maybe, what do you do for fun?
Emma, I have a question.
Okay.
What if I forget someone's name?
Oh no, that happens a lot.
Especially when I feel nervous.
Don't panic. Just be polite. Say, sorry, what was your name again?
Useful sentence. Very useful.
And honest, too.
Then maybe the conversation gets better.
Yes, slowly.
Maybe you laugh a little
Maybe someone tells a funny story.
or says something embarrassing.
Wait, like you?
Hey, I am trying my best.
I know.
Emma, have you ever felt nervous meeting new people?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Of course. Sometimes I think too much. Like, what if I say something strange?
That sounds very real.
But you know something? Most people feel nervous too.
Really?
Yes, you're usually not the only nervous person.
That actually feels nice.
Exactly.
Then maybe you start talking more.
Maybe about food
Always a good topic.
or favorite movies.
Or music.
Then suddenly,
The conversation feels easier.
a little more natural.
And maybe you stop feeling so nervous.
But wait, what if someone is very quiet?
That can happen too.
Then what?
Maybe ask simple questions. Give them time.
Good idea. Friendship takes time.
I like that.
But wait, what if you want to meet again?
Oh, that feels scary too.
Yes, but maybe there's a simple way to ask.
Okay, Emma. So how do we ask?
Keep it simple. No need to sound perfect.
Good, because perfect sounds difficult.
Maybe say, do you want to hang out sometime?
Oh, nice and friendly.
Yes, very natural English.
Repeat after us, everyone. Do you want to hang out sometime?
Or maybe, would you like to get coffee?
Coffee helps friendship.
You really love coffee.
Maybe too much.
Maybe.
But Emma, what if someone says no?
Good question. Sometimes people are busy. Sometimes they are shy, too.
So, don't feel bad?
Exactly. Do not take it personally.
That feels important.
Making friends takes time.
Real friendships take time too.
Very true.
Then maybe you meet someone again.
Yes. Seeing someone a second time feels easier.
Less nervous.
A little more comfortable.
Maybe now you ask, how was your week?
Nice question. Or, how are things?
Easy English. Real conversation English.
Emma question time.
Okay.
What makes someone easy to talk to?
Someone who smiles.
Good answer.
Someone who listens.
Very important.
And maybe someone who does not make things awkward.
That sounds personal.
Maybe a little.
I think asking questions helps.
Really?
Yes. People like when someone listens.
Good point.
Maybe ask, what kind of movies do you like?
Or what music do you listen to?
Nice. Conversations grow little by little.
Like plants?
Yes. Friendship plants.
That sounds funny.
Maybe a little.
Emma, have you ever had an awkward first conversation?
Oh, yes.
Really?
One time, I forgot someone's name 3 times.
3 times?
Yes. It was terrible.
What did you do?
I smiled a lot.
That was the plan?
I had no plan.
That sounds honest.
Useful sentence, everyone. Sorry, I forgot your name.
Very useful. Because it happens.
More than people think.
Then maybe, one day, you suddenly realize, wait, we're friends now.
That feels nice.
Very nice.
And maybe the first conversation felt scary.
But later, it feels easy.
Confidence grows slowly.
Just like learning English.
Exactly. You do not need perfect English.
Small conversations matter.
Even simple sentences help.
Today, we learned useful English like, hi, my name is,
Nice to meet you.
where are you from?
What do you like to do?
I'm a little shy.
Do you want to hang out sometime?
Real English. Real life.
And remember, feeling nervous is normal.
Very normal.
Many people feel shy.
Even confident people.
Confidence takes practice.
Emma question.
Okay,
What is the best way to make new friends?
easy. Be kind. Smile. And try talking.
I like that answer.
Thank you. I sound smart again.
Again? Wow. That hurt.
I'm joking.
Maybe.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel easier and more natural.
And maybe gave you confidence to talk to someone new.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.